Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm over here at Southwest 272nd Street in Homestead, Florida on a rainy day using an umbrella. And I'm going to show you an abandoned railroad crossing today. First of all, here we have the pavement marking, or what's left of the pavement marking. You can see a little bit of white left on the X there from the RXR. This is facing west. You couldn't tell there was a crossing there because it's all consumed by shrubs and trees, right? And then I'm gonna give you the eastbound look. So again, now we're looking out west, and we're making our way to the crossing. Okay, so now that we're getting a little bit closer here, you can actually notice the crossing gate on the western side of the crossing. There's a car coming up behind me. 1 second. Cool. So this is the crossing. And this would be track view south here towards Homestead. This there's agriculture down here, so there's probably like strawberries and avocado and mangoes, all that good stuff down here. So let's look at the actual crossing here, crossing gate. Sorry, we have a Safe Trans signal base, a Safe Tran gate mechanism, Safe Tran lights, and the crossbuck. Oh, we have this is a track view north now. And we actually have a mechanical bell here. Let's see. WC Hayes, yep. Safe Tran lights, Safe Tran gate mechanism, Safe Tran signal base. It's a fiberglass crossing gate. Not like the aluminum ones you see nowadays. Track view north towards Miami. And I'm going to be walking back, guys. I thank you very much for viewing. Please subscribe or like. Thank you. Over and out.